Alright. I've been waiting to do this video since I put the part 1 out there. Today, we are doing Nature Walk Part 2! So, and it's gonna be rainy, kind of cold, kind of turning into winter edition. Switch that around. Okay, let's get started. Okay, before we go up in the mountains, I want to talk about one of the chickens, and it's not about it like, oh, there's a stick to protect us while we are in the woods.
What is that stick going to protect us from?
It could protect us from mountain lions, bears, and maybe wolves. Hey girls, we're not gonna let you out. And Angel's in there, but we only have 4 chickens now. Fluffy Butt passed away maybe like a couple of weeks ago. Sorry we couldn't tell this sooner, but now we are thinking of a plan to somehow save the rest of the chickens and save the new ones that are coming, right, Grandma?
That's right.
Yeah.
What do you think we're going to find on our walk today, Owen?
I don't know. I mean, I don't think flowers this time because it's just ending of winter.
Yep. Let's go check this out.
Yep. Guys, we have been some walking and we got to the top. And like we showed in the last nature video, the beautiful valley. It's one of my main favorite parts about being up here. The valley in like springtime. A deer.
There he is, yep.
It's a female.
Well, it's the mama with her baby, and we get the 3 of them every day, twice a day, down in our front yard. So they'll be making their way down to our house here shortly.
Yep.
Here we are, Owen.
What was this? This wooden thing.
It was a deer feeder.
What happened?
It's just been sitting up here. There's nothing wrong with it. We can still use it. It's still pretty cold up here and wet.
Yeah.
A little bit of snow this morning.
Yeah.
Getting closer to the back of the house.
Yeah. You know what? Guys, something we've never went up to, that very little hill. I almost think we should do that in a future video.
Here we go, Owen. We're gonna go to the top of the little hill up here.
Yeah.
It's cold, it's rainy, trying to snow, but here we go.
Oh guys, it's getting very steep.
It is pretty much straight up, isn't it? Let's get up to the top, Owen.
I'll try.
There's the mama deer. She's followed us. I recognize her. She has the big white circles around her eyes. Here we are. We made it to the top.
A lot of deer are running.
Yep. We've got a lot of wildlife up here. Look at them.
Yeah.
Here they come. So we have deer following us.
We have the mom and the baby. And then back there we got some random deer. We don't really recognize them because they're far, but if they did come closer, we might be able to recognize them. This is turning into my new favorite part of the property, right?
That's right. It's beautiful up here.
Yeah, sometimes those elk, and we haven't seen them today. We haven't seen them in a couple of weeks, but it's amazing that we got like less than 100 yards to deer.
This has been a great walk, Owen.
Yeah, especially with the deer. That one is looking at us.
I know, they're watching us.
And there was a separate herd. I mean, I think it's the same hole, but I'm looking.
Look at them. Look at us. It's funny. They're not running away.
Because
I
they
think-
know that we don't hunt them a lot anymore, right?
Right. They know that we're friendly.